for visiting the True Fitness Service and Documentation YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you a couple of ways to update software on a True Unite touchscreen console. First, we will show you how to update software using a USB stick. After inserting the USB into the front of the console as shown, you need to press and hold the True logo until a keypad appears. Enter the appropriate code from the owner's manual to get into maintenance mode. Once you are in the back end, you can see what version of software and firmware you are currently running. If you want to install, simply click on Diagnostics, then Software Update, and then Install from USB. The console will scan the USB drive looking for the files for the CMI, the software, or the operating system. Once complete, it is going to give you a list of the files it found. You can only select one at a time. In this case, we are going to update the CMI first, so we select it and then hit Confirm. The console will then pull the file and start updating. A loading indicator with a percentage will appear showing progress status. The CMI usually takes about a minute to update. Once it is complete, you will see a success message. If successful, you will hear a click. You will see the new CMI version is displayed on this screen. To install the software, you can go back in and select the software update. In this example, we are going from version 58 to 66, so you need to press Confirm. The reason we do the CMI first is because it keeps us on the software screen for the next step. The software update will automatically restart and power cycle the console. Customers now on version 66 will see prompt that will display when a new software is detected. Now we're going to walk you through what that workflow looks like and how users can pull down the software in the back end of the application. When there is any new software, there will be a one-time prompt showing you there are software updates available. In this case, there are available updates for the operating system, the CMI, and the software. If you want to immediately install these, you can click Update. Enter in the code and you will immediately be taken to the software update screen. This is the same screen if we were to back out of here to the initial page. If you bypass or dismiss the initial update, there is also a loading indicator here notifying you there is new software available. In this case, there are available updates for the operating system, the CMI, and the software. For this video, we are going to go ahead and hit Dismiss. Enter in the code and you will immediately be taken to the software update screen. Now you will be back on. You can see the different versions we currently have. We are going to go back into Diagnostics and Software Update. We are going to check the system for available updates. The easiest way to do that is to hit these three buttons. This is the operating system, the software. This is the CMI. This is just to check to see if these are the latest versions. If you want to download them, you can go ahead and download the CMI and the software to update. We suggest doing the operating system last as it could take to an hour to install. In this case, we are downloading the latest versions. You can see loading indicator to let you know progress status. Note, you should only update one at a time. If you hit update on the CMI and then quickly hit update on the software will execute and the CMI will get about halfway done and basically freeze it. Again, if you're going to do multiple updates, we recommend you do the CMI first, just like you would through the USB stick. Again, there is a loading indicator here showing your progress. It should take about a minute depending on the strength of your Wi-Fi signal. The weaker the Wi-Fi, the longer it will take. The operating system can download fairly quickly, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, but the installation itself takes about an hour. Once completed, you are going to hear the lower board click, and you will see current versions. You will also see the CMI version update in the top right corner. Once that is complete, you can then update the software. It will go through its process very quickly and immediately auto-restart the console and reload itself. Once it reloads, you can log back in to double-check and make sure you are now on the latest versions of the software and CMI. If you were to try to go back and check yourself just to be sure, you would hit to check for the latest updates. The console will tell you the latest version. The update button is still there, but it is now only showing you what newest versions are available. In this case, the only thing left is a system update. You can go ahead and hit download. Once you have finished downloading the operating system, it is as simple as doing an update. Just be cautious. This could take about an hour to fully implement. We have sped up the speed of the video to show the process. Thank you for watching this service video. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or need further help.